Find or read reviews that people are talking about Philips B5309 Soundbar 2.1, with wireless subwoofer and Immersive DTS virtual X audio technology. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 2.1 channels with subwoofer. 2.1 channels and immersive audio technology bring you new levels of sound, while the compact wireless subwoofer adds satisfying weight to effects and music. 4 EQ modes let you pick a sound style to suit what you're watching, and voices get clearer in any mode if you activate dialogue enhancement. 3D sound with DTS Virtual X compatibility with DTS Virtual X transforms your TV sound, bringing you a virtual 3D sound experience no matter what's on screen. You don't need extra speakers, and it works in any room. Turn it on via the soundbar's remote control, or the Philips Home Entertainment app. Surround sound with Dolby Digital Plus. Enjoy a front row seat to all the dramas you watch and play. This Dolby Digital Plus compatible soundbar gives you a surround sound experience without the need for extra speakers. You'll hear and feel the difference. Simple setup, easy control. You'll enjoy a simple setup, easy access to sound settings, and compatibility with any Roku TV remote. Say goodbye to hunting for multiple remotes. This soundbar connects to your TV via HDMI, EARC, allowing you to control the soundbar with the same remote you use for your TV. If you have a Philips AM/by Light TV, the Easy Link function lets you use the remote to switch between the soundbar's preset EQ modes, adjust bass and treble, and more. Easy connections. Compatibility with Bluetooth LE audio gives you a steadier connection, better sound, and less lag if you're streaming playlists from a smart device that is also compatible with Bluetooth LE audio. You can also connect audio sources to the soundbar via audio in, USB, or optical input. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.